I was tough.
Okay, go. It's like the light.
This is the best lighting I've ever seen. I think it looks good on that camera.
Like this is why I don't like it.
Congratulations. Oh yeah. Hey, kitty. Oh my god. It's telling you to kiss it.
It's not, it doesn't bite.
In the shopping cart. Can't dance.
I can. It was quite difficult for some people like Gabby to pick up the Native American dance. It was kind of like, yeah, like this.
See the horses? I'm pretty sure you can see.
The floor is lava.
What are you making, Em? Some oatmeal for breakfast on the first day. This is an actual meme. Meme!
Everything that's in my mind. But I want you.
There's a little river. Top.
But I want you.
Guys, this horses love my life.
Yeah, we're gonna drop it.
Yeah.
That's one I like too. That's cool. You see, I'm not sure. What's up, Audrie?
Hi. The barrel race, huh?
Use it like bend down and like this. Yeah.
I want you to kiss it.
That one?
Hey, Biz. Here.
So.
Is that video?
Yeah. Not yet, Em. Not yet. Go.
Way. Don't break it. I don't know. Yeah, Gabby, what if we break?
Other way.
What do you mean other way?
Why would you face the wall when you can face that?
Because we're facing the camera?
No.
Okay.
Whatever, you know?
Whatever. Go walk up and do something.
No, you'll be fine.
We're gonna increase.
Why is it ball shaped?
Because that's how you make
Oh, I never made
That's how you make cookies.
I never made cookies.
Come closer.
Oh. Are we taking a picture?
Wait, don't jump it. Wait, hold on one second.
You need to go that way.
Gabby, she's taking the steps.
Nicole, keep it parallel to your head, please. Keep it parallel to your head.
Okay, one bad one.
Make sure your body also.
That was good.
Audrie.
I'm actually gonna cut my hair.
It's not that hurt.
There's a heart. Maybe it's. Oh my god, that's an axe.
Yeah.
Brittany, you want to go?
Oh, you can get much higher. That's pretty good, Jake.
Party out. Here it is. Here it is.
Could have started that way.
Want to get one on?